television on in the kitchen so you may hear it. This is the leg update for today. So it's getting better. It's clearing up slowly. And so I will do a on-camera face update also. So let me show you this. There's still some swelling on the ankle. And this is the area in the back that I showed you before. So it's clearing up slowly. And I'm just going to continue to show you this for a few more moments because I want to put up a thumbnail that someone left telling me that they're going through the same thing and they have similar marks. So thank you for watching.